Gentlemen, talk to me. How did you figure out you knew the median had to be 12 and the mean had to be 15?
Just you already had the medium, so just put it in the middle.
Okay, so what? Just put it in the middle.
The 12.
The 12. So where should I put it?
And the third line.
There's no right or wrong answer. So.
And then since like you added and then you divided by 2, it's still 12.
Awesome. Because if we were to find the median, why did you know that these two had to be 12 and have to add up to 24?
Because you divided and then wait, what?
Because you divided and what?
And I mean, there's 6 numbers. There's no such thing as a median with 6 numbers because you always have to add the 2 in the middle.
Excellent.
So
Because it's an even set. It's that if you were to do this, you'd go. But then you're like, shoot, there are 2 in the middle, so I gotta add them up. So Kevin said, add them up to 24, and then you divide it by 2 to get 12. Beautiful. So what did you do with the rest of the spaces?
We put in numbers.
You plugged in numbers. But you had a thought process, I saw it. How did you know what numbers to plug in?
Oh, I just went from like smaller numbers than 12, so we did the backgrounds just, since it said wages, I just thought like minimum wage, so I just went 10 and 11.
Okay, so he thought, okay. What kind of points did he say, Eduardo? What points did he just say? Okay, who heard what he just said?
He said we went from minimum wages.
Minimum wages, so which ones did he put?
10 and 11.
10 and 11, so I'll put 10 here and 11 here, okay?
And then, like, we didn't mess with those numbers anymore.
Okay.
So we just messed with the numbers on the right. And we
Alright.
started off with small numbers, and it would just be like 12 and like 13.33.
So then you started just plugging in. 13.33. What else did you do?
No, not like that.
Okay. What do you mean?
Like, we plugged in numbers, like wage numbers.
Oh,
Wages,
okay.
just random, and then we just kept adding until like it got to 90. Had to add up to 90.
Boom. Why did you have to get it to 90?
Because 90 divided by 6 equals 15.
Okay.
Because the mean is
Because, so Aaron, say that, you were like, why did we have to get it to 90? What did you just say?
Oh, that's how you get the mean, because like the way I started it off, like I like how they start that. The way I started off,
Uh-huh.
I took the mean and I just divided it by 6.
You divided it by 6? So you took 15 divided by 6?
I mean, multiplied it.
Multiplied it by 6.
Sorry.
Why did you multiply it by 6?
Because you had to divide it by 6 to get the mean.
Excellent. So you got what number?
90.
90. Robert, can you pick that up for me? 90. Okay. So then, let's work backwards now. So what did you do? So you figured out that it had to be 90. So can you guess what he did now?
Well, he said he filled in the numbers and made sure all the numbers added up to 90.
He made sure all the numbers add up to 90. So gentlemen, Jose, what did you get for the last two?
10 plus 9. 10 plus 9.
21 and 24.
21 and 24. 21. Okay, so all of these add up. Excellent. Did anybody have a different data set? I saw a different data set out there. Ariana, could you talk to me? Yes. Okay, do you guys want to come up and write it? Who wants to write their data set? Ariana. Oh, I'm sorry, Raina. Yeah, I keep saying Ariana. Do you want to talk?
No, I'm searching about it.
I'll let you just tell me what to do, just like I did for the boys. Okay, the men. How did you girls think of it? Okay. So you started with the mean? Wait, hold on, not everybody's listening. Shh. Okay. All right, Raina. What?
We started with the median.
I'm going to stop. Because Aaron is talking, and I don't know why you're talking.
I got that little
You have to go to Baptist.
Oh. Bye. See you later. 13, 14.
Yeah.
Bye. Have a good day. Okay. Back to you, honey. Sorry for that interruption.
We started with the median.
Okay.
Just we like what two numbers are going to equal 24 because we want 24 divided by 2 is going to equal 12.
Good.
And 12 is the median, so we did 12 and 12 also.
Oh, you did 12 12 and 12 as well. Okay.
And then we just figured out what the numbers and we just came up with 2 17s and 2 16s.
So you did 2 17s and 2 16s?
Yeah,
17, 17, and then what did you say? 12, 12, and what? 16 and 16.
That doesn't work.
Well, we knew that all of them were going to be 90, so we just divided by 4 because we already had 12 and 12. So we got 16.5, and we knew that the rest of the numbers were going to be like in the 16%.
Okay. Can I ask you a question?
That doesn't work.
What if you put this in order and we
Doesn't
needed
work.
to find the median?
It doesn't work.
So if we put this, so I hear Kevin saying, Kevin, let's hear it. What are you
Doesn't work.
thinking?
That's the first step. You're supposed to place all the numbers in
Can
order.
you put your hands? I can't hear you.
I said that's the first step. You're supposed to place all the numbers in order. Or how are you gonna get a median if you don't have your numbers in order?
Okay, he's saying, awesome, we need to figure out what the median is, but girls, you figured out, okay, the median has to be, the center numbers have to be 12, awesome. But what happens when I put this in order? Eduardo, what happens when I put this in order, honey?
You got no more median. 17 and 17.
Oop, I put an extra number here. Whoops. Okay, so what happens?
The 12 is not the median.
It's not the median, what's the median now?
16.
16. So, let's start with, so do you see how we really need to pay attention to order? Okay. Good girl. I'm really happy that you guys said this because that also made us think of how we can correct this. So good. Who else had one more way of doing this? Okay. Did anybody choose two different numbers other than 12 and 12? Oh, Nathan. What did you say? Do you want to come up here and write it? No? Okay, talk to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And everyone pay attention because it's helpful when we look at each other's work. Go ahead.
Since the median is 15, I put 15 on for the fourth line.
You put 15 for the fourth one? Okay. Cool.
15, 24 minus 15 is 9, so the third number would be 9.
So we did 24 minus 15. So he made that one 9. Because why does it have to equal to 24?
Because the median is 12.
Okay, excellent. Now tell me what else you did.
Then since it's talking about like wages, I thought of minimum wage, so 8. So I put both first two numbers as 8.
Excellent. He's thinking of context. Just like Kevin and Jose. Okay, keep going.
Then I added those and there was 50 left over, which I just put 20 and 30.
So you added these and you got 50.
No,
So
it was 40.
but you said 40? Oh, I thought you said 50. Okay. Awesome.
And 90 minus 40 is 50.
Uh-huh.
So I just put 20 and 30.
How do we like this?
Does that work?
Does that work? Let's see. So he put 20 and 30, right? So let's see. Do these all add up to 90?
Yeah.
But what's 9 plus 15?
What's 9 plus 15?
24.
24.
Oh, it does work.
So it does work. So my question is, how many possibilities are there?
More than 2.
More than 2. How many did you figure out?
I don't know.
You could do, there are infinite. You could do so many different data sets. So let's try, which is kind of exciting, because in math, there's not always just one answer, especially in stats. So let's clear this and let's do the last one. The last one's a little bit more tough.
We're still gonna
Okay, now make a list that includes one wage of $80. So who can tell me where you think we should put 80 on this list?
Yeah.
Do you want to put it at the end? Okay, say we put 80 here. I don't know what minimum wage job gives you $80. Sweet. But,
They do.
what?
They do. You're right.
Which jobs?
Like foaming and
Foaming?
Yeah, like.
Is that for housing?
Yeah.
Is that when you put foam, like, to insulate?
Nah, like when you make like structures,
For structure?
like you know how they make like, how do you explain it?
What was that? You okay? Okay. Did you bite yourself? I don't know, foaming for structure? I don't know. Plumbing?
Like deep down, you like.
In the pipes? The what? Like underneath the sewer?
Yeah, probably like. You never seen those big old trucks with like cubes of foam?
Oh, yeah.
They cut that out and they shape it into things and they like use it for like designs, like houses.
Huh.
Yeah, like styrofoam.
Okay.
No,
I've
so
never
like-
heard of
so they
foaming
put, like,
before.
40 down.
Okay, so foaming could be 80. What's another one?
60.
I was like, what's the weird?
You want to put?
No, not 30.
Okay, this is fine. There's another method. You can just throw it out there and then get it in the end. So, again, we need to get 12. So, where do you want me to put the 30? Let's just put it right here. Got it.
Why don't you put 12 in the middle?
Okay, let's put 12 in the middle.
Wait, oh, never mind, 6. I thought it was 7.
A 6.
No, not 6.
Viva, what?
No, I said that there was 6 numbers.
Okay, so what do you want?
I already chose 30.
Okay, we got 30. That was Rob's choice. What was your choice? Throw it up.
1, 2.
1? Okay.
7.
7.
9. Never mind. 7.
Okay, let's do 7. So, again, it's the same thing. The median is 12 and the mean is 15. But remember, what did they have to add to? What was the sum in order to get the mean of 15?
Hey Nathan, what were your numbers?
90. Who said that? Eduardo. So the sum had to be 90. So how are we going to get 90?
Negative numbers.
Nathan?
Negative numbers.
Negative numbers.
That's
It's
true.
kind of strange in the context of the problem.
So you
When
get,
do you get
you
negative?
get paid negative numbers?
Right. So maybe, so say you're in debt with your parents
It's not owing, no?
You can't
and
even use
you're
it.
gotten huge trouble.
That's
This
not
is what
your
happened with
life.
me. I get in trouble and my dad would be like, you got to do this chore, but you're not getting paid anything. So I'm getting paid negative, like nothing. It's, yeah, because I
How do you feel?
was bad and it
Is
made me really sad.
it
But it was okay because I could have gotten in way more trouble. So instead, I just had to free labor. So basically, if it has to equal 90, what can we put? What are some of these data points? Remember, the median has to be 12. I want you guys to think. I love this. I see Robert thinking. Sorry, Stephanie.
For the middle two numbers, you can put 17 and 7.
For the middle two numbers, you can put 17 and 7. Okay. You see that? Why? Why did he choose 17 and 7, Stephanie?
What was the first one?
Why did he choose 17 and 7 for the middle numbers?
Because if you add and then divide by 2, you get 10.
Oh yeah. Okay. So 12. Awesome. So let's see. But what happens now?
You add those and see what's that one.
Reina was like, it's more than 90. So let's figure this out, what Nathan said. Let's add them up. 7 plus 17 plus 7. So Rob, what is this?
That's way too many numbers.
You got it. You have a calculator in front of you. You can do it.
Zero. No, I'm just saying that's like over 90. You guys
Okay.
already
That's
passed
like
the,
negative 50.
what are you guys doing?
So do you remember what I said? It could be, our last one should be negative number to subtract everything. Okay, so what is this?
Oh, that's true.
Wait, so this is 7 plus 7. What is this?
It's 141.
Oh, it's 21. 2 plus 1.
21.
21.
Okay, so it's 2 plus 1, which is 3.
141.
Plus 3.
541.
Okay, so right now the sum is 141. What does this,
Damn.
what did you have to put here?
Like negative 51.
Like a negative number.
Negative 51.